calanque.com.
بس هديك على ما مرنت ما لي طرفين هي فوري I need to explain this one, and I think this one, if you want to explain another issue, then you can
14,000 in Xudur. So just continue. Just to explain that. What you doing?
This counting the Somali shillings, which is in short supply.
raashinka al-shabaab ku obsade walay habaha way gube dadku way tume way dile saasa la kooy waysin gaari intaasay la gube
The immediate needs are so high, like shortage of food, vast shortage of food, water, supplies. It's so serious from what we've heard from everybody. Number one, and number two, this whole question of finishing the business of liberating these areas completely is so high that you have to prioritize things. In terms of the peace building that we normally do, it would be maybe third or fourth down the priority list of things to do. So yes, we're keeping our eyes and ears open of what opportunities, especially for the defected youth from Al-Shabaab, what we can do to dissuade them from ever joining again the Al-Shabaab movement. What can we do to reintegrate them back in society? That's the one thing I can think of immediately.
So when they were there, they were slightly better than us. They had some supplies.
During the time of Al-Shabaab?
Yeah.
How come?
calanque.com.